live. Taking on Missnaturalshay. Check her YouTube out, man. She got some nice stuff on there. Please check her YouTube out. Well, let's roll, man.
Some cute little gift bags. Look at these cute little gift bags. They got plenty of gift bags. So don't be going to Target and Walmart and getting gift bags. Come right here to Dollar Tree and get your gift bags, okay? Uh-oh. You know what? I need this bag because they got Santa and the elves. Oh my goodness. When have you ever seen this? I gotta get this. What else they got? Oh, you know what? Hold on, y'all. I ain't even showing y'all nothing. So need some decorations. They got some cute little decorations still here. For your wine lovers, get them a wine bottle bag. So cute. Uh-oh, yes, Merry Christmas. So pretty. Uh-oh, we got the ornaments, y'all. Still got the ornaments. Really pretty ornaments for $1 and I think 25 cents. Says they want to go up on us, but it's still cool. What else they got over here? Okay, for your snacks and everything. Got your little cookie dish bowls, party bowls. And if you want to make some cookies, they got some cookie cutters. And cute little games for the kids. Pinball game and then the paddleball game. Cute little stuff. Oh yes, look at these. They're so cute. I'm gonna grab them because I messed up mine last year. So I'm gonna grab these as well. And then of course they got the antlers and the cookie trays at the bottom, y'all. So pretty. And then over here, y'all, we got some little Christmas candy going on. Some peanut brittle and some Tootsie Rolls. You always know they're gonna have Tootsie Rolls in here. And then we got the peppermint bark, the Sour Patch Kids. Look at this lump of cold cookies. Who wants that? I don't think so. The Jiggle popcorn. Cotton candy, y'all. You know, these are nice little treats for kids. Okay, y'all, these could be some tree fillers right here. They're really pretty. Or you can make a cute little bouquet. So these could be some tree fillers for real. Look at these. Yes, the poinsettias. And then they got some pretty ones up here as well. So cute. And then here's some tins if you want to do like little treats. And a cute little stocking going on. Some more Santa stockings. And here's the DIY section. This would be cute to make something. I was thinking about doing a Christmas wreath, but I'm not sure. If y'all want me to do a Christmas wreath, make a DIY Christmas wreath, let me know. This is some cute little stuff for $1, boo-boo. Then we got some cute little cups.
Yeah, I'm only seeing the D's.
I'm trying to help them out. And then on this side, y'all, they got the Christmas cards. If y'all want to do Christmas cards this year, you can still get you some Christmas cards. They still got some cute little boxes back here that you can use for little treats. Jewelry, jewelry. Oh, look at these things I have. Hey, these are cute. So I would definitely suggest Arm & Hammer body wash. It's the clear water, and then they have the Simply Fresh. I would recommend this, y'all. Yes, get you right. And then of course, any of the Dial soaps, I recommend soft soap. If y'all need these, They also have the Safeguard liquid hand soap available as well. And then of course, y'all, you know, the body bars. They got the Dial, Coast, Soft Soap, Yardley. That's probably hitting the Shea Buttermilk. It's probably good. Then of course, they always got the Jergens mouth soap. Irish is always popping in here. This one is a plant-based, plant-derived bar soap. It's a rose green tea. And then of course we got the Dove body bar, the different dials, Zest, soft soaps. The same one that you see all the time, most of the time when you in here. And of course, if y'all need a new toothbrush, they got them here too. And y'all, guess what I just found? They got a battery-powered toothbrush right here, and it includes the battery, and it's only $1. Holla! That's what's up. And then they have an oral care kit, which is cool. Got the scraper, the I don't know what all this stuff is called. The dental picker and scaler, the mirror, the toothbrush. That's pretty cool. And then of course, if you want Crest, Colgate, which one do you guys like? Sensitive. And of course, multiple packs of toothbrushes. They got all that. Don't forget the Flush Your Teeth. I love these. I get these all the time. I have one in my car, one in the house. I'm gonna try to keep one in my bag. Matter of fact, I'm gonna grab one so I can keep it in my bag because I'll be forgetting to put some in my bag so then I won't have to run to the car when I need them when I'm at work. We have some Vaseline Cocoa Glow for $1, and you have the Dove Moisturizing Cream for $1, and also they have the Dove Men Care. Okay, men, don't forget to moisturize. I'm telling you, don't forget to moisturize because we all need to be moisturizing. I don't care if you're a man or woman, you need to be moisturizing. And of course down here, these are like the EOS. I've never tried them, but I heard they're pretty good. And then of course the Pure Silk. You can't go wrong with Pure Silk. I actually have the coconut one right here. Hey y'all, so we are done shopping at the Dollar Tree, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. That shows that you are feeling this video. Make sure you subscribe and of course share and chit chat down below because you already know I love to chit chat with you guys. And yeah guys, I'll catch you in my next video. I love you guys for watching. Peace. Okay y'all, so this is the haul from Dollar Tree that I picked up. I just want to pick up a couple things and I had to get these right here. OMG. I think these are so pretty with the brown people. Okay, so Spirit, this is so pretty to me. I had to get it. Both sides, one is sparkly, one is not. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. Soul and Spirit. Boo boo. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Look at the elves and Santa. I'm so in love, y'all. I had to get this. This is the first one that I saw. I had to get this, and then here's the other side. Like, what? Oh my gosh, so beautiful. And then, y'all, I had to get this one, and it says Merry Christmas. Look at the elves. Look at the elves. They're looking so cute. And then here is the back. So one side is glittery, and the other side is not. And of course, they were $1 and like 25 cents. Then I had to get these. These are the light up LED necklaces, and of course these were $1 and some change a piece as well. So I got 3 of these. One for me. These are for my work ladies. So one for me and 2 for my work peeps. And then y'all know how to get the placards. Now I'm gonna keep these in my bag because I always forget to put some in my bag. Since I switch out bags so much, oh my goodness, I'm sure I got some in one of my bags, but I had to pick up some of these because I need these like every single day, boo, every single day. Don't forget floss. Then y'all, I had to get me one of these, which is an Arm & Hammer Fresh and Natural Household Odor Illuminator. So I'm gonna use it for my refrigerator, y'all, because I need this for the fridge so everything can just smell fresh up in there. And then y'all, this is a second time buying this. I bought these last year for Christmas, but they did not last at all, so I hope these hold together well, so I can wear these for the last 2 weeks of Christmas, last 2 weeks before Christmas. So yeah, I got these. Then y'all, I seen these, and they're the Cranberry Oh So Merry limited edition, and it's the notes of cranberries and champagne. If you watch my Dollar General haul and video, you would have seen that I had the I actually got the candles in the Cranberry Oh So Merry. So when I saw these at Dollar Tree, boo, I had to scoop them up. And I also had to scoop this up the last time I went to Dollar Tree, but I did not vlog that. But I got 2 of these, which is a Cookie Caramel Rush, and it's the limited edition notes of vanilla cookie and caramel, and it smells so good, guys. So if y'all see this, go ahead and grab you one. And of course, I know they smell good as well because the candle smells great, and it's Cranberry Oh So Merry with the cranberries and champagne. Yeah, guys, so this is my little haul that I got from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. That lets me know you like these types of videos. And make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and of course chit chat down below, because y'all already know how I do over here. I love to chit chat with you guys. I love you guys so much. And yeah, guys, it's time for us to close out the video. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.